I told you we needed more glitter.
Hey guys! Today I'm going to show you how I do my Victoria's Secret hair blowout. So the trick is, it's not a blowout as much as it is curling the hair and really poofing it out. So off the bat, I'm starting off with dry hair. My hair is really damaged and also kind of frizzy in itself. So this kind of does already give me volume. But if you don't have that volume naturally, then I recommend showering your hair, drying it, air drying it, and then combing it, and also maybe putting some styling product in it. Like a sea salt spray is what I recommend for someone with pin straight hair. So off the bat, I always like to comb my hair out. When I comb it out, I feel like I'm automatically giving it a lot of volume. The reason why we're doing Victoria's Secret is because personally I love the Victoria's Secret hair blowout look, and I feel like there isn't really a nailed down method to do it, especially because the Victoria's Secret hair industry has changed so much recently. I feel like we've been seeing a lot of slick back looks, and I'm totally against slick back looks. I think that they look pretty bad. Not pretty bad, I think that they look they're just not for everyone. Let me show you how it's done. So this is the product that we're using today. I honestly don't even know what these are called. So I think it's, oh, Remington. Okay, so Remington hair curlers, and they are scorching hot. The way I like to section my hair is I'll always start off by sectioning my hair down the middle. Then I'm gonna pick up, I'm gonna section out the hair from the back of my head. I'm picking up two sections. I don't know if you guys can see this well, but one's the bottom section and one's the top section. We're gonna start with the bottom section, so the smaller section. Take a roller, I touch my lip to it to see if it's hot enough. I roll it like so. Then I do a little spinny and I roll down. Okay, I just pin it down with one of these things that came with my mom's curling set. Same thing. All right, do a little curl at the top, catch it in there, and then roll it. This is really gonna give you that volume that you want, okay? Next step is to do this over and over. Whew, it's getting really hot.
Treat me like white teeth, don't get me dirty. Love on me.
Okay, so now we're gonna comb everything downwards, and we are going to pick up a section right here. Okay, I can't see anything, but like Helen Keller, I can sort of make it out. And then same thing, but this time we're gonna make sure that everything is curly. Also, something that I will say is to try to make it kind of loose, because if you do it too tight, honestly, it might become too flat, and we don't want that. So I'd say like make it a little bit loose. So I have this like beautiful cascade, but that is exactly what we want to have. Grab the sides right here. So curl, curl, curl. Let it loose, let it loose. I swear, if I don't look like a Victoria's Secret model after this, stand by Adriana Lima.
Victoria's Secret Supermodel.
Okay, you see how I'm just kind of trying, I'm like working my way down from this waterfall? I find the midsection of my hair, and I try to fit that hair in the middle of the spoolie. I roll the hair down the spoolie, and I lock it in by rolling this back up. Roll the hair right back up. You see the back. Next, we're gonna change it up just a little bit, because we are now gonna want to really, like, we really want the curls to be there, because here it's volume, here we need curls. So hot spoolie, and we're gonna start lower at the bottom, and you're really gonna tighten the bottom of these curls. Okay? And then you're gonna roll back up. Trust me, this is like the method. We sort of are coming up to an issue right now because I only have one more of these left when I'm supposed to have a whole bunch more left. So I might have to pull some strings here. You know I have the sauce. You know I'm saucy. Okay, I have some more hair left, so I'm just gonna take apart another one of these. This is definitely what Grandma used for the ancient blowout. Alright, it's been like about 5 minutes. And I think I'm ready to show you guys what it looks like. Now this process kind of hurts. Ow! Let's comb this out and see what's up and if we need to fix anything. Okay, let's try to comb this out now. Ready? I'm scared. Honestly, it looks like an 80s looking hairstyle. Whoa. So yeah guys, thank you so much for watching my blowout tutorial. Hopefully it helped somebody. Hopefully you guys liked it, and yeah, let me know what I should do next. Bye.
Bye.